everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm gonna use this palette. You can see that, yeah. I'm gonna use this palette. So I want to kind of go with the new trend that's out there, and I want to try and create a graphic eyeliner. So let's see how it goes. Crossing fingers. So I know I want to use a purple eyeliner for the graphic liner. I just don't know what colors, so we're going to work our little magic today. Okay, so let's get started. I already did my eyebrows and I primed my lid, and we're going to grab a smudge brush. I have this one. Let me see. I'm going to use this one, and I'm going to create the graphic liner or wing liner, whatever you want to call it. I'm going to create it with this as my trace line, I think that's what you call it. But let's see how it goes. Let me zoom you guys in a little. Yeah, perfect. Alright, sorry about that. My camera was doing something. It's still doing it, but I don't know what it is. Alright, so let's continue. Alright guys, sorry about that. My camera turned off because apparently my SIM card or my memory card, I don't know, is full. But anyways, back to the look. So this is what I did so far. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna go back with that same shade, and I'm just gonna deepen the color a little bit, and then I'll let you know what's good. So it should look something like this, okay? So if you want to, if you feel like your lines got a little like thick or they don't look similar, you can always clean it up with concealer. That's what I'm gonna do right here. I'm gonna sharpen this a little bit with my concealer and my little flat brush. So next, what I'm going to do, I'm going to grab a little blending brush. I'm just gonna buff that color up a little bit. Something like that. A clean one. And just buff it up. I have this new Stila glitter thing, and I want to put that on my lid. So I'm gonna grab a small little flat brush. Let's see. I know I have one. I'm gonna try to use this one and see if this one works. I'm just gonna grab over here. Try to grab some good. It is not an easy look. Okay, so I think what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna darken the pink on the top and see how that goes. Where's my brush? This is my first time trying to do this graphic look, so don't judge me. Darken the pink a little bit more. My camera heated. Nothing new. Alright, so what I want to do next, let's see. I think I'm gonna go in here and just like put like a let's do the white shade on this palette. Let's see how that goes. This brush. Let's see how this goes. How it looks. Let's try this liner and see. Let's see how it's gonna come out. I'm using the NYX Vivid Brights. Yeah. Let's see how that is gonna work. I'm gonna look at my mirror over here. I think it's easier. Oh, actually, you know what? I'll do it like this. See how the other eye comes out. I can never get this eye as good as this one. So let's see. Let's see how that looks. What do you guys think? Did we achieve this look? Maybe, maybe not. Oh well, we tried. Alright, so let me do my face off camera and then I'll be right back. Alright, what the hell is that? Oh, okay. Alright, so this is the finished look. I tried. I mean, I know I've done wing liners, like cut crease wing liners or whatever, but this for me was a bit challenging. I guess, I don't know why, but but yeah, this is how it turned out. I hope you guys like it and enjoyed my struggle in creating this look. Please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you're not, and I'll see you guys on my future videos.